On hardscape paving projects, when it comes to joint fill, we have a few options. If it's a permeable application with pronounced joints, then the Gator Aqua Rock is a great option. It is ASTM number 9 stone. It is coarse, angular, and washed, and it comes pre-packaged in bags for ease of installation. It allows the water to flow through and maintains the load transfer from unit to unit within the pavement system. If we're opting for an interlocking system or a hybrid system with wider joints, then nitro is a fantastic option. The consolidation of the joint is achieved through the watering process. As water flows through it, it tightens up that joint. Great product. But on this application, with the very tight joints of the Para and Everest slabs on this synthetic base, the product we're going to use is the FlexLock Ultra G2 sand with rapid set technology. It is specially formulated for these applications. It has little to no dust, therefore we don't need to blow it. It won't leave a polymeric haze, and it only needs one watering. When applying the sand, we'll want to spread it evenly on the surface and then use a broom to sweep it into the joints. Then we can use a reversible vibratory plate compactor like the Bartel Global BR1570 with the polymer pad installed to not scratch or scuff the pavement surface. We'll want to use on a low throttle setting because all we're trying to do is vibrate that surface to consolidate the joint. We're not trying to hit the pavers or slabs down into a bedding layer. Once we've passed that plate compactor, we look at the joint fill. We'll repeat the sweeping and consolidation until we've reached a level that is just below the chamfer on the pavement units. Then we can give a final sweep, apply water at a rate of 30 seconds per 30 square feet, or until the joint is saturated. We'll repeat that watering every section throughout this pavement until it's done. Then, after 15 minutes, it's rain safe, and it's best not to traffic the area for a period of 24 hours to keep it nice and clean.